Hey everybody, Ricardo Wilkins here, Teamwork Cowbell. Hey, we're all trying to balance work life and personal life, and there are features in Microsoft Teams that can actually help us do that. Let's take a sec and check out a few. You can see here that you can change your status to at least give the impression that you're offline, or at least not accepting messages or trying to minimize the messages you accept at this time. If you're worried about forgetting to turn off this feature, you can set a custom date on when it returns back to normal, maybe something like 8 a.m. on Monday morning. And if by chance you want to cancel that offline status early, you can do so as well by just resetting status. Don't forget about your mobile phone too. There are features in the mobile app like setting quiet hours and quiet days to help you manage all the ringing that might happen in your pocket on a personal day. I hope that was helpful. Come back to the channel for future tips about how to balance personal and work life using Microsoft Teams and other Office 365 products. I'm Ricardo Wilkins, otherwise known as Teamwork Cowbell.